Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I've got lessons where we add cool flight controls and other things to our planes, but some of you I saw were struggling because your plane was tilted from an earlier lesson. Friends, I've got a way to solve it, so let's get cracking! The first thing I did was quickly hide all the pieces I don't need using the little hide button. All you gotta do is touch them, remember, and then hit it, and then they'll be out of your way so that you can get your other stuff moved. I'm gonna hide the word elevator. I'm going to leave the pieces I already added just because they're in a good spot except for this one, which is goofy, but that's a different project. So right now I've got my plane at a very cool angle, but it's harder to add things. Now the smart way if you wanted to work from this was to just click the work plane on a flat place and work from that location. So now when I look at it from this back edge and do the rotation handles, so I'm going to grab it all, you can see that I can rotate it till it's flat using these. When I've got that where I think is good, now I know mine was 22.5, so I can snap to this mark, but if you're just guessing, you can just get it level from out here, and even if you have it just level-ish, it makes it easier. I'm going to go back to the home view, and I'm going to put my work plane back to the ground. And then if I look at this from the side, I can tell all I have to do now is straighten it out. So from this angle, I just switch again. And notice I did 22.5, so it's super simple. If yours is custom, just arrange it like that, and then boom, you are working with a plane that is back level to the build area in Tinkercad. Now when I hit show all my little parts come back and they're in pretty much the right location. If not, I can just move them and get them all straightened out. If you're having success with this and your neighbor isn't, please give them a little hand and help them out. If you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.